In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change app icons in Glide. If you've been building in Glide and want your app to look polished and on brand, updating the app icon is a quick win. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each screen means, and share a few tips so your icon looks crisp everywhere your users see it. First, go to Glide in your web browser. This takes you to the Glide dashboard where all your projects live. Sign into your account using your usual login method. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your apps and projects. Open the project you want to edit so we can apply the icon change to the right place. At the top of the builder, click Settings. This is your project's control center for app details, privacy, publishing options, and more. Inside Settings, find and click Name and Icon. This is where you control what users see on their devices and in share previews, the app name, the icon, and other branding elements that make your app recognizable. Now, click Upload to add your new icon. When the file picker opens, select the image you want to use. For best results, choose a square image with a transparent background if possible, and aim for a high resolution so it scales cleanly. Something like 512 by 512 pixels or larger. Simple shapes, solid colors, and good contrast tend to read better at smaller sizes, especially on mobile home screens. After you select the image, Glide will display a preview. Take a moment to confirm it looks sharp and centered, and that it aligns with your brand's look and feel. With your icon set, move to the top right corner and click Publish. This step saves your change and pushes the updated icon to your live app. If your app is already public, Publish updates the metadata so users will see the new icon going forward. It can take a little time for caches to refresh across devices and platforms, so don't worry if you don't see the new icon immediately in every context. The preview inside Glide should update right away, which is a good sign that everything is set correctly. And that's it. You went to Glide, signed in, opened your project, adjusted the name and icon settings, uploaded your image, and published the change. Quick, clean, and professional. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.